Hello, my name is Rajneesh Kumar and today I welcome you to the Eastman Techno Expert session. In today's technical session, we will provide you with some important information related to home UPS servicing. In today's video, we will talk about how to check an SCR. In today's video, we will discuss how to check an SCR. For this, first disconnect the mains and battery connections. This step is necessary to ensure your safety while working with the equipment. Now, carefully remove the SCR connector and using a nut driver, loosen the screw to open the SCR. First, set the multimeter to resistance mode. After that, check the resistance value at gate terminals 4 and 5. Here, this value can be found between 13 and 20 ohms. This is a normal value when your SCR is functioning properly. In the same way, repeat the same process at terminals 6 and 7. Here too, the value should be the same. And one important thing, at this time we don't need any product of the multimeter. We only need to check the resistance value. If this value is the same, it means your SCR is working perfectly fine. If any of the readings do not match, then you will need to replace this SCR. I hope the information we've provided will be very useful to you. Thank you very much for staying with us until the end of this video. To watch more such technical videos, please like, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
This segment specifically refers to Eastman, a key entity or individual that plays a significant role in the context of our discussion.